How to fix Messenger has stop problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix error playing audio on Messenger. So guys, I will show you how to fix. Friends, first of all you have to go to your mobile settings. You'll find in any phone. You have to go to your mobile settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Click on install app or app manager, and then search for a messenger. Here is it. Click on messenger, and then now I will show you how to fix it. Okay, now you have to click on force stop. You can see here force stop. Click on force stop and press OK, and then now again you have to click on storage, and then you have to clear all the cache here. Now go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow all the permission here. Now you can see here auto start. You have to permit the auto start also, and then your messenger has stop problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.